Look at the tide is really high. Do you see that? It's right there. This is actually unusual. It doesn't happen. There have been times before where the tide was all the way up, like at least like 1 foot above this. You see all the debris coming in, getting washed. Look at it, it's all full. Really high. Really is like 2 feet below that, the normal tide. My boat, higher than usual, of course, because of the tide. Wow, this is just amazing what Mother Nature can do. And this is because of the storm that just hit in the Louisiana area, New Orleans, and it hit Maryland. It was heavy pouring, like a tropical rain. So I came to check on my boat, and oh my God, look at this! Wow. And it seems like it's going higher. The tide is going higher. I have to check the local times for the high tide. It's like I'm right here on the water. It is clearing up. My friends here waiting for the food. This is just amazing. In this water, if you don't take your boat out at least every other week, barnacles stick to your boat like there's no tomorrow. Some of the sailboats, they've been sitting here for a while. Their bottoms are really ugly. We also have towboat US here. It's very convenient. In case somebody gets stuck, you call them, they come right away. But knock on the wood, thank God I don't have to call them. So this tide is super high. So this weather is crazy. It was just sun like a few minutes ago, and now you see the heavy rains. Is crazy. This has been going on like that. The sun wasn't out all day, but it came out for a minute, and then you see this crazy rain coming in. So that's how it's been here over here in Baltimore. A lot of debris in the water, logs, a lot of stuff, mostly logs. And you know, if you are in the water and God forbid you hit one of those logs, kiss your lower unit goodbye or kiss your propeller goodbye. So see, it just came for a few minutes and now it's gone. So I don't know if you guys can see all the way out there. There's a big log right there. I see it. It's huge. So now I have my umbrella. Even though I got my GoPro and it's waterproof, but I didn't want to get wet, so I got my umbrella. And I'm walking to show you guys the big logs that are floating in the water. And 2 days ago, no, yesterday, day before yesterday, I almost hit a big log. It was almost like 10 foot long and it was really thick, but luckily I saw it because it was too big. So I want to go up close and show you guys, like there's a lot of debris in the water. For instance, you see there's something over there. You see these logs right here. People leave all kind of stuff over here when they come fishing. Look at this huge log that came in. Trust me, if this thing would hit your propeller, what are the odds of your propeller not getting bent or your lower unit not getting cracked, right? But look at those logs right there. These are just few of them. Then there's one out there, one out there, and look, few washed here on the shoreline. And far in the horizon, I can see the rain. I don't know if the camera can show you, but I also see a few other logs floating in there. I see a few right here, a few pieces right here. So boating becomes a little bit of dangerous after the storm. And wherever I see a few logs floating. I don't know how good is my camera eye to show it. I will see if I can use the zoom filter when I will compile the video to show it to you guys, but currently it seems like they're far, and hopefully the camera eye is catching those. But I'm telling you, like, these logs would damage your boat seriously. I try not to go out after a day or two after the storm because the logs and debris is still in the water. So I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but there are two colors of water. There's muddy water and then there's regular water. Now the rain is picking up. Lots of rain. I honestly enjoying the weather because I wanted rain. I love rain. I love walking in the rain. If it wouldn't be too much debris, I would take the boat out, but no, it's not worth it. It's not worth taking the risk. And then again, the thunder too, no, it's not worth. It's rather to be safe than sorry. So you can see it's pouring down really heavy, really heavy. The rain is not even cold, it's like warm. It feels good, honestly. Let me show you how it looked like. I can't even see the land. I barely can see the land on the other side, which was much clearer, but due to the heavy rain, my vision is getting kind of, I can't see anymore. Now the wind is picking up too, so I think I'm gonna head back to my car. But look at it, guys, look at it. This is beautiful. I came under the trees. Here the rain is not as heavy because the trees are acting as a filter. Get in the park. I'm almost wet. This is the remnants of the tropical storm coming from New Orleans. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So look at my videos. If you like, subscribe this little, should I say little now? So subscribe this small channel and become part of the YouTube family. I really appreciate every single one of you who subscribe and leave a comment. Trust me, tells me that you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. See you sometime soon in another video. Bye bye.